Hello friends, welcome to Fairy Home Decor, where we are about to explore exciting ideas to make your garden a magical place. Today, we will learn simple yet fantastic ways to transform your garden with unique style and thrifty ideas. Imagine your garden becoming a special place full of creativity and coziness. We will share easy tips to bring your ideas to life, making your garden a magical spot. In the next few minutes, we will discover creative ideas to give your garden a unique touch. From reusing all things to making art for your garden, it's going to be a lot of fun. Picture your garden being like a storybook. We will share easy tips to bring your ideas to life, making your garden a magical spot. Grab your gardening tools and let's get started. First, we will talk about making your garden look special with unique style. We will show you how to use all things in new ways and make your garden look cool. Get ready to be amazed. Next, we will discover thrifty ideas. This means making your garden fantastic without spending too much money. Cool, right? Lastly, we will talk about making your garden a cozy home lawn. Imagine your garden being super comfy and cozy, like a warm hug. Throughout our video, we will share tips from gardening experts. So let's jump into our first idea and start your garden to look unique and special. In this part, we will show you how to use all things in your garden to make it look amazing. Maybe you have oil toys or pots lying around. Let's see how we can use them. For our first idea, let's see how you can turn an old pot into a cool fountain. Now let's see how to make your garden look artsy and fun. We will use colors and shapes to make it look awesome. Now, we will move to our next part about thrifty ideas. Thrifty means being smart with money. We will show you how to make your garden look amazing without too much. Look at these cool gardens. We found that didn't cost much to make. Let's see how they did it. If you have any cool ideas for your garden, let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you. Now let's talk about making your garden a cozy home lawn. This means making it feel super comfy. We'll show you how to add comfy chairs and soft lights to your garden. Imagine sitting there with your family on a warm evening. How cozy does that sound? We will also talk about how your garden can look different in each season. From snowy winters to sunny summers, we will have tips for every time of the year. That's our garden adventure for today. I hope you are excited to try some of these ideas in your garden. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, and maybe we will feature that ideas in our next video. Thanks for joining us at Fairy Home Decor. To our channel for more fun ideas, and let's make your garden a magical